Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we're going to learn how to change Google Docs margin, or what is the option we have to change margin in Google Docs. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So I have already opened my Google Drive account. So first open your Google Drive account, log in with your Google account. Now just go to the new, and I just take the new docs file here. So show you the margin adjustment, or you can say change the margin. So once it's open, there is a two margin. One is your left and right, and it is top and bottom also. Okay, so here you can see this is my top margin. When I start something here, so it will be start from here. It won't start from here because my margin is here. Okay, so if I want to start typing from here, I have to change the margin like this, so it will be go up. So this is top margin, and you can see same as you can just navigate your cursor on this margin. Just click and hold from your left side of button, mouse left side button, and just change the margin. Okay, so you can change also margin from left to right, of left to right. So this is margin of your right left, so you can change it. You can the text has been adjusted with this margin. You can also make it change with your right margin. Okay, so that is how you can change or manage your margins. Or if you want to make some more changes, so go to the file and go to the page setup, and here you can see the margin. You can change from top or for bottom, for left or right. This is for manually. Okay, so now if you want to apply this whole document, just go to the whole document. Now you can change it and apply. Or Google also give you the some by default margin for some templates like A4 templates, folio, executive statement, legal, anything. You can use the later templates margin, and you can use it. Okay, you can use also landscape use. You can change the color of your page, or you can also change the set as a default. You can reset as a default and just click on OK. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.